taste the rub. It's so juicy and it smells good. It's so juicy, I can taste the rub. It's really nice.
This is fantastic. I'm looking forward to having a lot more.
Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Smoked meatloaf. So we got a great recipe that we're going to put together for the smoked meatloaf. The first thing that we're going to do, however, is get these vegetables prepped, because if we took raw vegetables and put them in the meatloaf, they would stay raw because they wouldn't cook all the way through. So we're going to give these vegetables a rough chop, get some seasoning on them, get them on the smoker, get them tender, and then we'll mix them in with the rest of the meatloaf.
Okay.
That sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, now that we got these vegetables all cut up, we're going to season them up. These are looking great. What's our next step?
Put them on the smoker!
There we go. Okay, so we have the components of our smoked meatloaf here. So we smoked our veggies to make them tender. So we have 1/4 to 1/2 cup each of onion, green pepper, tomato. We have breadcrumbs here. We have 1 cup because we have 2.5 pounds of meat. We have 2 eggs. The rule of thumb is an egg per pound of meat. We have some Worcestershire sauce. We have some ketchup. We also have some mustard. And we also have the rub that we're going to be using to season the interior as well as put on the exterior of the meat. So what we're going to do now is get all the ingredients in the bowl, and then we're going to use some clean hands and mix it all up. So now, see that this is pretty well mixed together. Looks pretty consistent here.
It's very juicy.
Yeah, we have a lot of liquid in there, so this is going to be a nice moist meatloaf. So now we're going to get it on the pan. So if you step back, go wash your hands. So go ahead, finish mixing this all together here. We want to make sure that we make this even. So we want it top to bottom going all the way across. Okay. So with that, whether it's rounded or straight, doesn't matter, but we want it to make sure that it is uniform all the way through. So I don't mind that it has a little bit of this football shape. So here we go. So top to bottom on each side, it's even. The vegetables are pretty well integrated throughout the whole thing. And now we're gonna go ahead and put our rub on it and then get it on the smoker.
Yes.
Smoked meatloaf. So I'm excited to dig in. This is smelling great, isn't it?
Yeah.
So go ahead, grab your fork. Grab your fork there. Grab a piece here. What are your thoughts?
It's so juicy, I can taste the rub. It's really nice.
How about you?
I can taste the rub. It's so juicy and it smells good.
I love it. I love how the outside you can taste the smoke, taste the rub. I love getting some of those different vegetables that we cooked. This is fantastic. I'm looking forward to having a lot more.
Yeah.
So, all right. So, go ahead, put these down, let me get this cleaned up, and then we'll get ready for dinner. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.